Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just try to show you how to solve a simple radical equation. And here's what the equation looks like. It is x minus 6 equal to the square root of 5x minus 34. So what you want to do here, whenever you have an equation like this, the first thing you want to do is to eliminate the square root. So the best way to do that is to just simply square both sides, because the opposite of square root is to the power of 2. So you square both sides. Remember, with equations, whatever you do on one side must happen on the second side. So now we have x minus 6 squared equal to, and now when you square a square root, it just simply removes the square root, and so you have 5x minus 34. So now we go ahead and distribute. So x minus 6. I'm going to use this method. Let me show you the method I like to use whenever I have to deal with squaring an expression. So if I have a minus b squared, it's going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to be, let me go ahead and remember that this is 5x minus 34 on this side. And this is going to give me x squared minus 12x plus 36 equal to 5x minus 34. So now we'll go ahead and try to write this in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is going to give me x squared minus 12x minus 5x plus 36 plus 34 equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 17x plus 70 equal to 0. And you can use the quadratic formula, or you can just factor this. This is going to give you x minus 10, x minus 7 equal to 0. And so you're going to have x minus 10 equal to 0. So x equal to 10, x minus 7 equal to 0. Then, so you have x equal to 7. So now we have two different values. We have x equal to 10 and x equal to 7. We need to check for extraneous values, and the way to do that is to resubstitute each of these values into the original equation that we're given to see if the values give us a valid relationship between both sides of the equation. So our original equation is x minus 6 equal to the square root of 5x minus 34. So now we're going to substitute x equal to 10. So 10 minus 6 equal to the square root of 50 minus 34. So we see 4 equal to 4. So that is correct. Now we do the same with 7. 7 minus 6 equal to the square root of 35 minus 34. So 1 equal to 1. So therefore we can say x is equal to 10 or 7. So this is how you solve this type of equations.